I'm celebrity hairstylist Nevasha, and my clients include Alicia Keys, Tracee Ellis Ross, Yara Shahidi, and John Legend. And these are my Just 5 things. Product 1, this is my favorite hairspray. It's the Oribe Flash Finish Wax Spray. I use this every single time I work with a client. I use this to make the hair bigger as it holds it mid-air. So I can spray it on the hair and it's gonna stop it right there and it will not move. It literally makes the hair stand mid-air. And the texture is actual wax. This does everything for me and it kisses it with a light touch of shine. My second product is my artistic wire. I use artistic wire to make really tight, smooth, clean ponytails, and I just wrap it around the hair like so. Or I can use it to create really tall, dramatic hair on the inside. A lot of times you guys don't realize that on the inside of that big, glorious hair, this is what's holding it up. Next, the glorious Mason Pearson brush. Okay, so yes, the Mason Pearson brush is a bit pricey, but it's worth every dime of it. First of all, it lasts a lifetime. It has boar bristles in it, and it has nylon bristles as well. It does two things at one time. It's making it smooth, but it's also detangling. I can brush the hair, and there is literally no marks of demarcation, period. Metal tip carbon comb, a must-have in my kit. I use it to perfect the part, like so, super clean part, to perfect baby hairs in the front, make sure they're nice and pretty. But I also use this to straighten hair. I use it in front of my flat iron so that when I'm pressing the hair, that it comes out perfect and smooth. Pretty much every style that I do, I use my metal tip comb. It's a must-have. I do not leave it out of my kit whatsoever. And lastly, my diffuser, a must. If nothing else is in my kit, my diffuser is in there. I can make the hair super big, standing up in the air, along with my wax. Curls will come out as if they air dried. You hold it up to it. You do not get too close, otherwise you will burn the hair into smithereens. Just stand back and it gets really big and pretty. Thank you all so much for watching me talk about my Just 5 things. And if you have any questions, anything you want to talk about, please feel free to leave them in the comments below.